These things are absolutely brilliant. The Samsung Galaxy SmartTag2, oh my goodness, this has saved me on so many occasions. I am an ADHD dad, and I got these Samsung SmartTag2s to, well, basically save my life. I've put them in my bags, I put them on the car keys, house keys, but you too might be getting these error messages to tell me that the battery is running down. I think when the battery level falls below something like 20%, the Samsung SmartThings app starts kicking off. It starts reducing the power of the tags, which makes them less effective. The warning tone is definitely quieter, and obviously if these things stop, that's going to be completely pointless. It's just going to become a key fob. How do you change the battery in a Samsung SmartTag2? I think this works for the SmartTags as well. What we need is either a pin or a needle or a push pin, or best of all is a phone SIM Ejector Tool. This is a gift to future me. I managed to keep this in an envelope. The SmartTag2 is designed to be water resistant and also child resistant as well. So they've hidden the eject button. I was looking on the side, couldn't find it. You will never believe where it is. Let me catch the sun at the right angle. There's the ejector hole, and what I'm going to do is use my SIM Ejector Tool, my phone tray ejector tool. I'm just going to push that down. Oh, I had to really push hard for that. I don't know whether mine is just sealed up over time or if it's designed to be really tough, but you have to really push it hard. And now we can pull out the battery tray. Oh, right, so don't forget, it's that side up, and if I flip it over, you can see that that's the negative side. You need the positive side, which is usually where the details of the battery are, and the positive side sits on top of this notch here. So that's the way up that you want the battery to be, and it's a CR2032. Again, it's another gift to future me. I managed to buy some in the past. You can get these from supermarkets in the UK. I'll show you in a moment what we need to do with the app, but to put the battery into the tray, it just sits on it like that. So the notch is open to the positive side. And then to put this in, I think this can only go in one way. So I'll try and do it the wrong way. That won't go in. So it has to be this way round. So the positive side goes to the back of the Samsung SmartTag2. You can see there's like a black notch there, and I'll just push it in until it clicks. There, so that's back in. Oh, it just beeps. I didn't touch it, it just beeps. I've just put the battery in. I've got the Samsung SmartThings app up on screen now, and you can see the battery is sufficient, nice big green battery logo there. But will it work? Let me press play on the ringtone to see if, oh, it can find it. So it hasn't lost or forgotten the tag, which is great. But if it doesn't find it instantly, I'll put Samsung's instructions on screen now. Congratulations, you have changed the battery in your Samsung Galaxy SmartTag2. I'm calling this a Dad Delivers success. If this video is helping, thank you so much for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It helps other people to find this video, but it really helps me to keep this channel running. And right here is what YouTube knows you want to be watching next.